Hey everyone, today we're going to go over a move I created called a dab step. Although it's called a dab step, the creation of it doesn't really have anything to do with an actual dab, and more to do with using my head as a way of manipulating my arms. So having said that, let's get started. To begin, you're going to want to have a decent grasp of the basic CC as well as a CC from a back rock position. So make sure you've got both of those down. From there, the first step is really learning to push up into a CC from the back rock position. Some key points are to try and keep your hand tucked in like a chicken wing so that you can push up more easily after you roll onto your side. Try and keep your hips up and keep a bouncing feel to the CC as you do it as well. The next step is to get the footwork down. This is similar to another step I've taught before on this channel called the inside out CC, so check that out as well for further context. Basically, what you want to do is, after the CC, hop back to the center on the same foot. Then, switch feet and hop into a CC on the other side. Once you've got the rhythm down, you can move on. Next is the hands. The hands are pretty straightforward. Like I mentioned before, this whole movement came about from the idea of pushing my elbows to the ground using my head. But it's less of actually pushing your hands with your head and more about the illusion of this happening that's important to keep in mind. Once you've got all that, it's time to combine them together. It'll probably take a little bit of time to learn to coordinate everything together, so just try and be patient and listen to your body. Probably the best advice I can give is to try and match the elbow drop with the CC and to keep bouncing while doing all the steps. Give it a shot and let me know in the comments how it goes. As always, learn the move, play around with it, and see how it fits into your style and how you can flip it to make it your own. Good luck creating, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.